Hi, in this video I'll be creating a video library to demonstrate the flexibility of the custom inventory system. I need to go to the Manage Inventories option to get started, but before I do I'll bring up a file that I'll be using later to load data into the library. Right, first step is to give the thing a name. And since for each record I'm going to be using a single still, which I want at the right of the screen, I merely need to say so. As you make these changes, you'll see the format appear on the right there. I've already created some stills for my sample data and put them all in this directory. So select that just to tell it what's going on. And I'm using the activated version of the application so I can remove all of the banknotes data. If you don't have this, you need to deselect individually. Then we simply go through selecting a field for each of the columns that we're interested in. I want a record number. I'm going to use identifier for the name. And so on. I think I'll spare you my bad typing and pause the screen capture until I've finished this step. Okay, all done. I've gone through and selected all of the fields that I wanted, and for each I've put in the name, which happens to match the ones in this file. Put a tip in, which may help if you forget what the fields are for. And in the case of resolution, I'm about to put in some standard values just to save typing. Those are the ones that my camera creates. Here are some others that might come in handy. Okay, so to get a list of suggested values in a combo box, all you've got to do is list them in the order that you want, separated by semicolons. I chose for the file name the attachments field in order to allow the videos to actually be played. So, just before we adjust the appearance of the screen, just have a look at how it looks now. Alright, okay, file name ought to go to the top, so these little fields can go on the same line as each other. So we'll go back and make those changes. Simply drag the field to where you want it. Name is probably more important than the record number. Detail, put down next to comments. Per second belongs whether or not there's audio. Resolution, same thing. So kilobytes and length sort of relate to each other. Okay, that done. Changes have been applied. How about I import that file? Okay, and now we're able to actually view the video by clicking on the play button. There's one of them. And just to prove that we can do things from the internet, here's a demo. I prepared much earlier. Enough of that. Okay, thank you for your time. Hope you enjoy using the custom inventory system for your collection, video library, whatever.